Show it. Show it. Ooh, stellar, blah blah blah. 4. Ilang packs yan? 4? Okay.
259, 260 pesos. For one.
Okay. Go. Energy, Crossfleur, Cubone, Nimbo, Slowpoke, Crambominable, Grass Trumpet, and Talonflame, ang favorite ni ate, Grimbling. Okay. Indent. Is that diamond full art? Okay. What? What? Wow! Okay lang yun, but that's still valuable. Oh, Lapras yan.
Wow.
Akin na yan dito sa kamay ni Daddy. Lagay mo dito. Dito. O diba? Hindi mo kailangan bumili ng blouse. Lapras! So, talaga tayo dyan sa ano?
Ito din.
Lagay mo dito. Yeah.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! First card pa lang yan. Tago mo yung paa mo. Nakikita yung paa mo. Go! Happy yarn! Happy yarn!
Kailan pa bukas yan? Mainit.
Nakikita yung paa mo kasi. Tago mo yung paa mo. Okay na.
Oh my God.
Who's that? Amo. Charjabug. Bakit dalawang black?
Wala naman cheese.
Hot hot! Rapidash. V Kabok. Dance. Apple. Oops.
Oh.
Anong bahala dito? Oh, dito na yan. Oh, dito. Let's see, that's good card. Okay. Next card, please. Oh. We still have this. We already got 2 of that. Lapras. Third pack. Rezu.
There's nothing there. Energy.
Ayos mo yung ano mo kamay. Don't cover it. Oop, oop, oop. There's a great hollow. Go. Joltik. Sino yan? Toad School. What's that? Slowpoke. Okaberry. Crambominable. Side. Oh, that's a Lapras. Hello, Lapras. And Zeraora. Ako na, Zeraora. Still, you have got Hallow. Good Hallow. Last pack. Last pack. May pakis-kiss ka pa, ha? Dinadasalan mo pa yung pack, ha? May nakuha siyang ano. So, with extra value. Ito yung may value na card. Full art Lapras. Yay! Full art Lapras. Lapras. Full art Lapras. Lapras. Last pack for 1,000 pesos. Marunong pati magbalasaw. Alam niya kung ano yung tatanggalin sa likod. Oh. Buksan natin ang last pack. Meron na kami ganito eh. Pangalawang bili. Gulpin. Yan. Oy, pakita mo maayos. Rhydon. Morgrem. Dayancy. Slowking. Orcaberry. Raging Bolt. Raging Bolt. That's the full art again! Full art ba yan? Ay, hindi. Siya na naman. Tatlo na nakuha natin ganyan, ha? But still, it's EX. Oh, no, sa likod. Oh, arrange mo na. See you next time. Wait, no, touch it. 2EX. Meron din yung value. Yeah.
How much cost is this Lapras?